test kitchen on the road downtown to Bistro 1907 with Mark Canzonetta.
Hey, Mike Case, how you doing this morning?
Thanks for doing this again.
Hey, we love being here. We love being here. We're in historic downtown Youngstown, great background setting, and we're going to cook some special food for our special loved one.
We're talking about love today since Valentine's Day is coming up, and I don't know if anybody's ever tried it. It usually goes poorly. The breakfast in bed.
Breakfast in bed. Well, you have to have the right stand. You have to have the right tray.
You need a good tray.
Yeah,
and you need a plan.
You need a plan, and you need to be able to execute it. So lay out your plan on pen and paper the night before. Go get your ingredients at your favorite grocery store. Look at the Food Network, look at some recipes online, watch some videos like me and you doing this.
And we're going to attempt something.
We are.
We're going to attempt, is it crabs, Egg Benedict?
We're going to make Eggs Benedict, but we're going to take it to a California level.
Okay.
We're going to do a little bit of warm avocado and jumbo lump crab.
Wonderful. Let's get started. So I didn't realize, would you want to do the egg first or the crab?
I think we're going to do the crab. So we're going to start off with a little bit of butter, and I always like to use unsalted butter when I cook because unsalted butter, you control the sodium factor.
Okay.
You know, and I really like that. So we're going to put the butter in the pan. We're going to add some jumbo lump crab, and because you love the person that's special in your life, we're going to give them a lot of crab.
Plus, if you fill them up, they might go back to sleep, and then you can do what you want to do.
You could. We're going to season that with a little bit of chili lime dust. Okay, then we're going to take this beautiful California Hass avocado.
All right.
Big thing about avocados is you want them to be ripe. Right. You want them to have a little bit of...
When you're picking them at the store, they got to be soft.
If not, put them in a brown paper bag on top of your refrigerator for a day, and they'll be soft.
Oh.
This little thing called ethylene gas takes over and makes them ripe. Same thing with tomatoes.
All right.
So we're just going to scoop that out with a spoon, just like, see that little trick right there?
That was easy.
That's a little easy trick. Put that down like that. Scoop again. And these avocados are beautiful. And we're going to season that with a little bit of chili lime dust. Now we're going to make some poached eggs.
Okay, I'll keep an eye on this, but I didn't know how to poach an egg. I'll be honest.
Poaching egg is definitely a French classical technique of cooking, and it's one of those things you have to practice at, okay, because you just don't get it right overnight. So one of the most important things is you want water at 160 degrees. You want to add some neutral vinegar. So this is just white vinegar, because what that does is it changes the pH of the water, because we want those eggs to look really, really tight and compact, because if not, it's going to be like a fried egg on a griddle. It's going to spread out, and that's not going to look good on your Benny. So you want to use warm eggs and not cold eggs when you do this. Next important step is you want to swirl the water, because that helps keep the egg whites contained with the egg yolk. So we're going to swirl that. We're going to crack our egg and just put it in. You see how that's swirling and it's staying together? That's what we want.
Keeps it in like a circle, the same size as your muffin or whatever you're going to put it on.
So we're just going to keep that, give it another little swirl. We're just going to cook these until they're done at 160 degrees, between 90 and 120 seconds. We're going to come back, we're going to assemble this great dish, and then we're going to do some special things, chocolate dipped strawberries and some mimosas.
All right, real quick, how do I know it's 160 degrees? It's not boiling. I can tell it's not boiling.
Well, you can try to dip your finger in there, but it might hurt a little bit. You want to get a biotherm. And you can pick those up at any grocery store. You know, you want one that goes from 32 degrees to 212 degrees, because that's boiling.
That's a boiling point.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, when we come back, we're going to bring in one of our loved ones.
We are.
To try this dish.
Because she should have breakfast cooked for her in bed.
She really should. And then we're going to finish things up too. Back here at Bistro 1907 in just a second. All right, we are back. We're going to assemble our crab eggs Benedict.
We are. Crab and avocado.
And avocado on top,
So we have our beautifully warmed avocado from California, and make sure they're ripe. It's very important. You want to put those down.
Should we mention we brought Lauren in?
We did. Welcome, Lauren.
Here she is.
We're going to put that wonderful crab on top, that jumbo lump crab. I know, isn't that great?
And Mike.
And Mike, I'm sorry.
I mean, this is just when you love somebody, you have all these luxurious ingredients.
All right.
Now, we are going to take those perfectly poached eggs out of the water. You want to use a slotted spoon, and just gently put those on top. Look how perfect those are, Mike.
That's because of the vinegar. I would not have known how to do it, and I would not have been able to do it.
So here at Bistro, we top that with a little bit of ancho chili hollandaise.
I knew it would have some spice with it.
We're going to have a little bit of spice. So it goes perfectly with the crab, with the avocado, a little bit of spice, the creaminess of the avocado, the softness of the crab. We're just going to drizzle that over top. And be generous with it.
Right.
So we'll talk about hollandaise.
We'll clean up later.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to garnish that with a little bit of chive. And this is available at Bistro 1907 on Saturdays and Sundays.
The weekend brunch.
The weekend brunch.
Rave reviews.
So, Lauren, when your loved one who loves you to death,
Yeah.
takes care of you.
Good luck.
This is what they should be doing for you.
Topping that at your house.
This is gonna be hard to top at any point in my life. So I'm very thankful for both of you and my guys behind the scenes to make me a lovely Valentine's Day.
Right, we got our pastry chef Matt made some beautiful chocolate dipped strawberries for you.
And you want her to? We got about a minute.
I have to do something. I
for her
told
to do
you
a,
I was.
mimosa.
So we're going to build a mimosa. A good friend of mine, Tony Bellata, came out with a great cava from Spain. It's a sparkling rosé cava, Viva la Vida. So what you want to do is you want to pour that about 2/3 of the way up in your glass. Now you can add orange juice to this, you could add guava juice, pineapple juice, peach, pear, you could add any kind of juice to this you want. We have a mimosa bar on Sundays. You can build your own mimosa. So go ahead and top that off. Now if somebody brought this to you in bed, Lauren, would you be eternally happy with them?
Yes.
This would be a good day.
I wouldn't get out of bed. I would just stay there. But you know what? This is probably
Mike?
better because
There you go, my friend.
Thank you.
Because I know you like the bubbles.
I do.
All right, everybody. Well, here's to our special loved ones out there. We wish them a happy Valentine's Day. We'll be celebrating it at Bistro
All week.
all weekend, starting on Thursday night.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Love is with us.
Cheers, buddy.
Love you guys.